Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making some pineapple upside down cake. That's a real easy recipe. So all what you're going to need is 1/4 cup of butter, a cup of brown sugar packed, and your can of pineapple slices. And you're going to want to have these drained, but you want to reserve the the pineapple juice to put in with the water that you're going to need for the cake mix. So, and then you're going to need a jar of the maraschino cherries, and I just murdered that one. So, and you'll need a box of cake mix. Now this cake mix, you're going to need a 1/3 cup of oil, 3 eggs, and a cup of water. So what you're going to do is use your pineapple juice from the can pineapple, and then and fill it up with water till you get a cup. So that's what we're going to do. So let's get this started. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put the 1/2 cup, which is about 1/2 stick, 1/4 cup of butter, which is about 1/2 stick. I got the oven preheated to 350. So we're going to put this in here and let it melt, and then I'll show you what to do after that. So here we go. We got the butter in here and put it in the oven. Okay, and once the butter is melted, I'll show you how to do the rest of it. Okay, so here we go. This is going to be really good. Okay guys, while we're waiting here, I'm going to open up this can of pineapple, and we're going to open it just a little bit. We're going to pour it in here. Let it drain. Alright, there we go. That's good and drained. Okay. Drain that out. Now we're going to fill the rest up. It's almost got a full cup in there. It's got about 1/4 cup of water to put in there. We'll put in the water. Alright, so we got the water. Whoop. On down. So we got the pineapple ready. I got the brown sugar packed. I had to put a little bit of light brown sugar in there too. So we're going to go ahead and do our cake. I'm going to use the whisk to mix this, but let's get your thing. Not that it matters, but I got the sugar free here, but cut down on the sugar a little bit. But it already got brown sugar, so it doesn't really matter. So we're gonna open up the cake mix. Put the cake mix in here. Okay. And so go ahead and put our oil, or our pineapple juice water mix, put in the oil, and we'll do our eggs. This way, when the butter's all melted, we're just gonna get this all good mixed in until it's nice and moist. Everything's moist. It already smells really good. gonna Alright, so there we go. Alright, so that's good and mixed in there. So we got that ready. We got our pineapple, got our cherries going. So I'm going to finish waiting for the butter, and then we'll show you the next step. See you right back. Okay guys, got the quarter cup of butter melted. So now what we're going to do is we're going to construct this cake. So first thing we're going to need to do is, well, I already made sure to spread it a little bit up on top there. So we're going to do, we're just going to spread out the brown sugar. It's a cup of brown sugar packed. Just going to spread that over top the butter. Get that good and spread out. Nice and evenly, as much as we can. Okay. Now, next thing we're going to do is take our pineapple, which is drained, and so we're going to just get those placed in here. This is a 9 by 13 see if I can get it in here. Okay. Well, I'll do, since it's, we'll just break that to 2.5. So, alright. So there we go. Now we're gonna, next thing we're gonna do, so I already took the stems out. Well, first you put the cherries in the middle of the pineapple. Then you just spread the remaining cherries throughout. The pineapple. Alright, now it should be good enough. Right, next thing we do, we're just gonna take the cake batter and pour it over the pineapple and brown sugar. Just get that all spread out. I can get it what I need it to do. Get everything spread out. Okay. There we go. Alright. Now we're going to take this, put it in the oven. 350 for 45 to 50 minutes. And we'll be good to go. So I'll see you as soon as this is done. Okay guys, I've let this bake for 45 minutes. I'll let it cool for 15 minutes. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna show you a little trick here. Put the cooking sheet on top like so, and we're going to very carefully get it to do it here. Flip over. Alright. There we go. Woo. We'll just go ahead and oh gosh. Let's look at that. Alright. Ooh, man. That just looks beautiful. Smells good too. Alright. Well, I'm going to let this cool for just a little bit longer. And then we're going to break into it and eat it. So, man, just look at how good that looks. Alright. Well, I'll see you guys here shortly. Okay, guys. We're going to go ahead and give this a little bit of a try. I'll take this corner piece here. So here we go. A little bit of pineapple. Okay, a little more cherry on there. Alright, let's give this a try. See how it goes. Oh my. Another good one here. I haven't had an pineapple upside down cake in so long, but oh man. But it is so good. Real easy to make, so you guys can see. Okay guys. Well, that was pineapple upside down cake. Just hope you guys give it a try to make it. Now that you see that it's pretty easy to make, and it tastes real good. Okay guys, take time to comment below what you think. And also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribed to my channel. I do a cooking video like this on every Saturday, and I also do some taste test videos and some sightseeing videos as well. So guys, I'll see you in the next video, and also enjoy the day the Lord has given you. I'm gonna finish eating this up. This is some good dessert for some good, after a good dinner. Taste the coconut pineapple.